My name is Bruce from Papa Bruce's Crafts, and we're building a Barndominium house inside of a 60 by 60 insulated metal building. Glenwood, Arkansas, right off the beautiful Caddo River. You get to watch everything we're going to do. There we go. Once I got the house plans all set the way we wanted, we put all the drain lines in. Under the dirt. We've covered them up. On the concrete. To do a concrete foundation, have somebody that knows what they're doing do it right. The guy that did ours did an excellent job. All the bolts were in the right place. All the concrete was like a sheet of glass, even around all the pipe, all the drain pipe that came up through the concrete. There are no cracks in it. There's big heavy equipment on here putting the beams up, and there's not one single crack anywhere in the foundation. The guy that did it did an excellent job.
This is RC Concrete Construction. We're out here for Bruce, putting him in a 60 by 60 slab. We got a total of 55 yards in here. So far everything's went good. I think he's going to end up with something he can be proud of.
And I would recommend that for anybody that's going to do a foundation. If you're not a concrete contractor, get somebody that knows what they're doing, even if it costs a little bit more. I ended up on Rhino buildings out of Dallas. We wanted 3 inches of insulation on the whole building, 12 by 12 garage door, and a couple 3-foot walk-in doors. So we decided to go with 6 inches of insulation in the whole building, and that brought it up to about $38,000. We agreed on everything. I picked out the colors, how tall the walls were, the pitch on the roof. We went ahead and ordered it. When we ordered the building, they brought all of it in on one flatbed, except the insulation and the garage doors, because they were coming from another contractor. When they were putting the beams up, we rented a sky lift, van lift. The guys that were putting the beams up, they fabricated a lift that they could put the purlings on and just lift them all up, or not all of them, but lift a few of them up at a time. When we were putting the siding on and the insulation, they were putting all the screws in 12 inches apart or 2 feet apart, whatever the ribs are. And because we had 6 inches of insulation, the siding was getting bulged out. We had to put extra screws in every 6 inches to make the siding look even all the way down the side. Once they got all the end caps put up and the side walls, they put the roof on. They put a ridge cap on and all the corner caps and rain gutters. And they put all the maroon siding around all the doors, the garage doors, the 2 walk-in doors and the front door, the rain gutters, all the corner trim, all the ridge caps, everything was all maroon.